Your home's water quality might hide a secret. A silent threat could impact your family's health. Your home's water quality might hide a secret. A silent threat could impact your family's health. Many old homes contain an unseen plumbing issue. Galvanized pipes were once a very popular choice. Installed widely from the 1930s through the 1960s, these pipes carry water, often unnoticed for decades, but their hidden corrosion can cause serious problems. Today, we reveal this critical, overlooked household danger. Galvanized pipes are common steel coated with zinc. This zinc layer prevents rust, initially quite well.
Manufacturers believed this offered long-term pipe durability.
However, this protective coating doesn't last forever. Over time, water flow erodes the inner zinc layer. This process exposes bare steel to constant water. Once exposed, iron begins to slowly rust. Rust forms scale, clinging to the pipe's interior. This scaling gradually reduces the pipe's diameter. You might notice significant drops in water pressure. Showers become weak, faucets barely trickle out. This internal decay remains completely out of sight. Rust particles can break free, entering your water. You might see cloudy or reddish-brown water. This discolored water can stain fixtures and laundry. More concerning, rust can harbor harmful bacteria. Older galvanized pipes also present a lead risk. Lead was sometimes present in the zinc coating itself. Lead can leach into drinking water, posing serious health threats. Checking for galvanized pipes is relatively simple. Locate visible pipes in your basement or utility areas. Scratch the pipe surface with a coin or key. Underneath, it's likely galvanized. Copper pipes appear reddish-brown. Underneath, plastic is obvious. Low water pressure often signals internal pipe issues. Regular water testing confirms contaminants like lead. Replacing old galvanized pipes is the best solution. PEX or copper tubing are modern, reliable alternatives. Professional plumbers can assess your home system. Consider a whole house filter for interim protection. Regular flushing helps remove loose sediment buildup. Prioritize your home's plumbing health and safety. Galvanized pipes are a true hidden household challenge. Their internal decay affects water flow and quality. Understanding this issue protects your family's well-being. Address these unseen problems for a healthier home. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.